Hi, we're Move Utah Real Estate, and we're here at 433 East Huntington Drive in beautiful Bountiful, Utah.
This home with nearly 3,500 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, has amazing views. Come on, let us show it to you.
This beautiful all-brick Rambler home has so many wonderful and unique features. With 5 bedrooms and nearly 3,500 square feet, the main floor features a classy, formal living room and dining room. Check out this updated kitchen with beautiful cabinets and granite countertops. And it's open to the semi-formal dining area with a delightful window seat, plus a comfortable great room, complete with a gas fireplace. You'll love that this space opens onto the covered deck. You'll also delight in the oversized and updated master suite. This master suite is incredible and features a gas fireplace with an entrance onto that beautiful covered deck for enjoying those summer evenings, and the huge master bathroom with separate tub and shower, plus dual vanities, and a separate room for the toilet. This home has all of the features that a family or an individual would love. You'll love the convenient main level laundry and mudroom. The basement features a second kitchen and living room space with a wood-burning stove, perfect for those winter evenings. You'll also love that the living room and family room area exits onto the walkout basement patio. Included in this terrific home is a wonderful workshop area with an additional exit onto this covered patio. And a private fenced backyard with fruit trees, mature trees, and a perfect garden area. We can't wait to show you this beautiful home at 433 Huntington Drive in Bountiful, Utah.
Reach out to us for your own private showing.
We're Move Utah Real Estate.